Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing where screenshots land and why that matters. Open your file manager and focus on default folders, desktop, pictures, or a screenshots folder. Once done, identify the key combo you used. Print screen behaves differently than Win plus PRT-SCN or macOS shortcuts, because the method determines whether the image auto-saved or sits on the clipboard. Make sure to use the search bar with the word screenshot or the date string to catch recent captures quickly. Now you refine results with targeted search and filters so you don't waste time. In the file manager, type screenshot or enter part of the date if you remember it. Then filter by image types like PNG or JPG to exclude documents. Once filtered, sort by date modified and switch to thumbnail view so you can visually confirm the right file. If multiple files match, open the most recent one, if needed. Check properties to verify resolution and timestamp for accuracy. Finish by either saving a clipboard capture or recovering a missing file. If your screenshot was only on the clipboard, open Paint, Windows, or Preview macOS, paste and save to the folder you chose. This ensures a permanent file. If you deleted it, check Recycle Bin or Trash in your cloud backups like OneDrive or iCloud. If nothing appears, rebuild the system search index or run file recovery tools as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: if thumbnails fail, enable Preview or refresh the folder to reveal images.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.